Hey everyone, today, I want to introduce you to an incredible solution for recycling refrigerators. Check out this cutting-edge equipment we have here. It's designed to efficiently sort and recycle different components of discarded refrigerators. It's equipped with advanced technology that can easily separate foam, plastic composites, iron, and copper materials. We use the crusher, magnetic systems and eddy current separation technology to ensure precise segregation based on density, size, and magnetic properties. By maximizing resource recovery, we are taking a step towards a greener future and reducing waste. Together, let's make a difference by responsibly and sustainably recycling refrigerators.